Hello, class of EDUU 527. My name is Giselle Garcia, and this is my journal number 1 for the course. In this journal, I will be discussing what an undocumented immigrant is, the unique needs and challenges that these students bring into the classroom, and I will also talk about considerations that I give to these students and how to be a part of an immigrant student. An undocumented immigrant is referred to an individual that lives in the U.S. without legal immigration status. Some undocumented immigrants enter the U.S. Illegally, but there are some that enter with legal documentation. Like, for instance, those individuals that are non-immigrants, but they enter the U.S. with visitor visas. But then those visas expired and the individuals still decide to stay in the country, which also makes them undocumented. These individuals do not have authorization to stay in the country or to work, and many students are born to undocumented immigrants. Some challenges and unique needs that these students bring into the classroom include poverty, fear of deportation, cultural differences, language barrier, lack of native language support. Considerations that I might give to these students in my classroom include making a culturally diverse classroom, understanding my students' cultural background and connecting with them, building a relationship with my students where they feel comfortable, welcome, and that they will feel safe to express their interests and needs. Also consider my students' hardships and offer any support or resources that they might need. Students that live with undocumented parents might spend more time alone due to parents working long hours. They might also be more tired due to family responsibilities. A lot of these students tend to take care of their siblings due to parents working. Also, students might not have money for school supplies. Another important consideration is the lack of parent involvement due to the language barrier. Therefore, students won't get that one-on-one support at home that other students might get from the parents, especially when it comes to homework or questions that they might have regarding academic work. One way to be a part of an immigrant student's underground railroad, as explained in the video, it is important to be there for students throughout their educational journey, provide students with support and guidance, as well as provide them with the tools they need to be successful Americans. And that's all that I have for this week's journal. Thank you.